Hey guys, it is me, Junkman Jr. here, and today I took apart that microwave. I didn't do it in an actual video because I figured it'd take way too long, but I did take it apart, and now I'm going to just weigh everything up and show you how much stuff I got. So here, I've got all the light iron that I got out of it. Looks like there's about 20 pounds of light iron that came out of it. And here I got some aluminum. These things, there's like little filters in there, and there's like, I don't know what you'd call it, but there's some type of filter in there. And this is what comes around the filter. So here's a little bit of aluminum. It's not much, but it all adds up. So son of a biscuit. Okay, guys. So we got maybe quarter ounce or quarter pound, excuse me. We got a quarter pound of aluminum. And we also got these little copper bearing motors here. This one was from a fan motor. This one was just on a motherboard. And this was the motor that is attached to the back. So we got about a pound of copper bearing motors, but I will take all the copper out of this, and this, so I'll get all the copper out of these things. So now here we got the magnetron, and here there's a couple little pieces of, there's a few pieces of aluminum here, and a couple of magnets here, and like 2 little things of copper in there. And there's also this little, I don't know what you call it, but it's brass. So there's that. So that we got, that magnetron weighs 2 pounds. And last but definitely not least, we have these 2 motors. This one's a transformer, and I already cut through the wire there, and you see right there it's a little silvery color. That means it is aluminum, not copper, so that's not that good. Sometimes they're both copper, like the other microwave I had that I tore apart. I already took the copper out of the transformer, and this was copper. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I cut it right there, and it's not silver, it's copper color. And I also got this motor. This is a little motor. There's a little motor right in there. Not all microwaves have them, but some do. And so we got about 12 1/4 pounds of motors, and I will take all the copper out of these motors. So yeah, guys, that's what came out of my microwave that I took apart, and now I'm going to take apart that transformer that I was showing you guys. So here it is. And to take apart this transformer, all you need is a hammer and a chisel. Hammer, chisel. So, you see that little weld right there? Right there? All you need to do is hit right on that weld. Give it a few good hits, and that weld will crack. Here, I'll show you guys what I mean. Sorry guys, my phone fell over there, but this one's not quite cracking yet, guys. Hold on one sec. now it's starting to crack just a little bit right there. So then after it starts cracking, what you want to do is take your chisel, put it right on that crack, and then hit it some more. Something just went flying. See, there you guys go. There's a little better showing of the cracking of that weld. And then just get in there with a chisel. The crack is a little too small on this one, so I'm going to go grab a screwdriver. So I got my flathead screwdriver now, and I'm just going to get in there. There we go. See, look, now it's coming right apart. So then we'll put our screwdriver in there, kind of get him away, and there you go. There's half of it. Now there's a couple other pieces here. There, one just came out. Oops. There's another piece, and we got these last two pieces. Sometimes you just gotta beat the pieces around so they'll come off. If that's the case, just go back and forth and it'll eventually fall off. On this side, that one just came right off. Okay guys, so you got that. Now, sometimes it'll work to just pull, this one it won't. So we're going to go one minute, guys. I'll be back. So guys, we put the transformer in the vise like that. Okay. So now I'm going to see, it's in there like that. And then what you gotta do after that is just grab your hammer. This hammer's about to fall apart. Grab your hammer. Just start hitting until that comes out. They will eventually both come out. And my suggestion is, if they don't come out easy and the pieces don't come out, then you can grab a, if I can find one, I can't find one, so I guess I'll just use a screwdriver. And you just put it flat-headed, hit it, and that'll beat them pieces out of it. You like to use a shoot, I can't remember what it's called. But anyways, and then, so once you get one of them going, then they should just come right out of there. Oh, here we go. Okay, so here, a punch. That's what I was trying to get. That's the word I was looking for, a punch. So you just hit. And then this piece of iron is out. Even though the camera won't come out. Or now the... Okay. So I got all sorts of tools in there now. I'm trying to get this guy out. Maybe this one. Nope, he still won't come out. Shoot. So if we could just get one of these. Okay, there. We got that out. So now this piece of iron is out. So that should loosen up all the others. So we're just going to have to keep whacking at it. I'm sorry guys, I'm just using my phone at the moment for a camera. So if you're wondering why the quality is terrible, that's the reason why. I'm sorry guys, I'll get that fixed as soon as I can. That's why my camera keeps falling over. I'm sorry guys. I'm going to try and get it fixed. Get something to hold it better, or just get a camera for making videos, so I'll get that figured out as soon as possible. But yeah, so now I got this piece out, and this piece is just aluminum. This is just an aluminum piece. It's just aluminum, so just throw it in your aluminum bucket. It's fine, they'll take it like that. And then just keep hitting these pieces, and now they're a little easier to out a little easier. And then there's also these two little pieces of steel in there. It's the exact same as what's holding the copper together. These two little pieces of steel, they're wrapped in some junk. And then there's this little bit of coiled up wire here. So I'll just put both of them guys to the side for now. And then just keep smacking away. And then there you go. You got your copper piece. After you take a little of that junk off, and then you got your your iron. And you just take some of the cardboard off of this. You just take some of the cardboard and junk off this right there. And then, yeah, just throw it in your copper bin. Number 2 copper bin. That's a good, probably, pound of copper. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being patient. And please, guys, I'll try and fix my camera problem before next video. So just bear with me. And like I said, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.